Latrell Mitchell, one of rugby league's brightest stars, finds himself in the eye of a storm once again, this time over a controversial photo that has set the sports world ablaze. The image, showing Mitchell near an unidentified white powder, has led to widespread speculation, but a leading lawyer has revealed why the NRL might not be able to take any action against the South Sydney Rabbitohs star. Could Mitchell escape sanctions due to a legal loophole, or is there more to this story than meets the eye? The world of rugby league is no stranger to controversy, but the recent uproar surrounding Latrell Mitchell has taken things to a new level. A photo showing the 27-year-old Rabbitohs star leaning over a table in a Dubbo hotel, seemingly near a white powder, has raised eyebrows and fueled rumors. However, top Sydney-based lawyer Paul McGurr believes that the NRL will struggle to take any disciplinary action against Mitchell unless a highly unlikely event occurs, an admission of guilt. This development comes as the NRL Integrity Unit continues its investigation, with Mitchell having already been interviewed over the phone. But as the dust settles, the legal complexities of the situation become increasingly clear, suggesting that Mitchell may avoid punishment after all. The photo in question has sparked intense debate and concern, not just among fans, but also within the NRL itself. The image, which has circulated widely on social media, shows Latrell Mitchell in what appears to be a compromising position, though the substance on the table remains unidentified. Despite the initial uproar, Paul McGurr, a prominent lawyer with extensive experience in such cases, has provided a detailed explanation of why the NRL is unlikely to sanction Mitchell based on the current evidence. According to McGurr, the legal burden on the NRL is relatively low. They only need to prove their case on the balance of probabilities, which is a lesser standard than in criminal cases. However, the key issue lies in the fact that the photo alone does not conclusively prove any wrongdoing. McGurr argues that unless Mitchell or someone else present in the room comes forward to confirm what was happening, the case against the player is likely to collapse. It's mere speculation on a person who is seen bending down over a table, McGurr told News Corporation. He emphasized that without any clear evidence or admissions, the case remains speculative, and the NRL may find itself unable to impose fines or suspensions on Mitchell. This interpretation of the situation highlights the complexities of dealing with high-profile cases in the public eye. While the image has undoubtedly caused a stir, the lack of concrete evidence means that any action taken by the NRL could be legally precarious. McGurr's analysis suggests that unless there is a confession or a more definitive piece of evidence, Mitchell may not face any official repercussions. This has led to further debates about the fairness of such situations, where public perception often outstrips the available facts. In the meantime, Mitchell has found support from various quarters, including former NSW Blues halfback Mitchell Pearce and ex-footy player Todd Carney. Both have spoken out in defense of Mitchell, particularly focusing on the invasion of privacy and the potential harm caused by the person who took the photo. Pearce, who has had his own share of controversies, expressed his frustration with the way such incidents are handled, calling for harsher penalties for those who leak private images and videos without consent. He argued that the true culprits in these situations are often the individuals who capture and share these moments, rather than the players themselves. Carney echoed Pearce's sentiments, emphasizing the need for privacy and support for athletes who find themselves in difficult situations. He expressed concern for Mitchell's well-being, noting the pressure that comes with being one of the sport's biggest stars. Carney also pointed out the double-edged sword of fame, where athletes are constantly under scrutiny, and any misstep can lead to significant fallout. As the story continues to develop, the focus is likely to remain not just on the potential legal outcomes, but also on the broader implications for player privacy and the ethics of media coverage in the sports world. As the NRL Integrity Unit continues its investigation into the Latrell Mitchell photo, the legal landscape suggests that the Rabbitohs star may avoid sanctions unless, of course, something drastic changes. This case serves as a stark reminder of the challenges faced by high-profile athletes in today's media-driven world, where privacy is often a luxury and every action is scrutinized. While the controversy has undoubtedly cast a shadow over Mitchell and the NRL, the legal intricacies highlighted by experts like Paul McGurr may ultimately protect him from punishment. What do you think about the situation? Should the NRL take a harder stance, or is the lack of evidence a valid reason to let Mitchell off the hook? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more in-depth analysis on this and other breaking stories. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.